report module 8 writing instrument. First is lesson 8.1 fundamental of writing instrument. First flexibility pinpoint. Second model pin. Third fourth pin sir, color pin yang gamit sir. Third E is pin nibs. Wire pen. Writing instrument. This is the writing instrument. There are features that can be seen. Lesson 8 printers, background, red pen, swap, red pen. It gives the socially selected water grass found in the Egypt, Armenia, along the shore of the Persian Gulf. Then, a quiet pen, it is a quiet pen can be made by the outer wings of featherless Fergus one. And stem point pin is a Brazil pin. Also, this is a pin of brass may be known for a Roman various inches of Brazil pin was in 1465. The fountain pin in 1884, the 11th releasement of the New Year Insurance Agency presented to the first static fountain pen in containing its own ink preserve your waterman invention. So waterman ang nag-invent sa fountain pen sir. Next, ballpoint pen, so John Loud in 1888. Other pen is 1963 American pen. 1963 Gima Fiber sir. Ferrite marker Irving Lens Material Alonso Artificial Fiber. Lesson 8.3 position of the characteristic of ink. Indian ink. First is the Indian ink. This is the Indian ink sir. Second is the logwood ink. This is the ink from the wood. Iron coloring ink is an ink used for metals and additives. Fountain pen sir, it is used for it is used for the ink for oil pen. Diastop ink, it is composed of aqueous solution to synthetic diastop. The water resistant writing and drawing ink. This is the ink that can be used as it is ink. It is an ink and it is waterproof. Alkaline writing ink. This is quick dry ink. It is about 9 to about 11 penetrate quickly through the size of the paper, allowing the ink to penetrate. The ballpoint pen ink. The stamp pad ink. This is the ink used for the stamp pad. The pictograph ink. This ink is very much resemble stamp pad used only. Cancelling cancelling ink. This ink can be used as cancel. Script ink. This is manufactured by WA Chopper Pen Company since 1955. Lesson 8.4 examination and information of the pen. Specific cases unexamined available for the duration of examination. Question documents restricted to the comparative. And also it is necessary before the chemical examination and non-distraction window includes visual examination. Question sir, gamit sa water examination and identification. The chemical examination chromatographic examination and separation of the diastop and the ink. This is restricted in comparison of the diastop. The restriction sir, regardless the principal method of the ink examination to identify the diastop and the chromatographic separation of the dyes may be carried by the paper chromatography. Procedure collection of the ink materials extraction. This is also a possible cause of small packets. Third, there's a beaker, is the beaker of the beaker flask. The chromatographic should be carried out in the shade light. B. Determination of the age of the leg. General order and determining the age of the leg. The egg writing in the order is different the ages, different writing. The documents, examiners may use property, as property, procedure, ballpoint pen ink, so documented can be writing in all ballpoint pen. And also in 1945, and also analysis of the ballpoint pen ink may be held an important clue to the age of the ink. The first ballpoint pen ink were practically without conception based on the Oleic acid in 1950. However, the presence of the acid is not yet proved. In later case, however, the ink will not flow in other petroleum because of the stage. Diastaph ink, most of the pictures of diastaph ink. This is the diastaph ink. Diastaph ink lack properties that prevents age, determinations, but presence of the oxalate. Iron dominant ink. This ink shows remarkable challenges in measuring the base of the chemical. The method based on the changes of the colors. The ink. Methods based on the solubility of the ink mas solute pa siya or dissolve. Method based on the amount of the ferrous iron quantity is 1% of AA1 dipyridine in 0.5 NaCl or normal hydrochloric acid. First, estimation of the age based on the detection of the dyes. Iron alternate contains organic dyes soluble blue. So, matuna na siya, then ma-form siya into color blue. And that's all my report, sir.